Struggling to make your videos look smooth and dynamic with speed ramp transitions? Let's make your edits look more professional in just minutes. Step 1. Import music and mark beats first. Import the music into the CapCut timeline. Zoom in on the timeline so the audio is easy to see. Listen to the music carefully and find the beats. Every time you hear a beat, press the M key to add a marker. Step 2. Import and prepare the video. Now import your video into the CapCut timeline. Trim the video and split it into different scenes. Make sure the clips match the beat markers on the timeline. Step 3. Apply speed ramp effect. Select one video clip. Open the Speed tab. Go to the Curve section. Choose the Bullet Speed preset. Remove one curve point as shown in the video. Now adjust the curve by moving the starting and ending points. Match the speed changes with the audio beat markers. Step 4. Finish the full video. Repeat the same speed ramp process for all other clips. Adjust each clip so the speed changes sync with the music beats. That's it. Your speed ramp transitions are now ready. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.